Boring Boo.
Out in the park on a sunny day, two little puppies came to play. One was brown, the other white, wagging tails, eyes so bright. Let's be friends, they barked with cheer, playing together far and near. Puppy pals, oh puppy pals, running, jumping, wagging tails. Fetch the ball, chase around, best friends make the happiest sounds. They ran so fast they spun around, digging holes in the soft, soft ground. Rolling, tumbling side by side, giggling kids joined in the ride. Let's play tag, one puppy said, round and round their paws all spread. One pup found a tasty treat, a yummy bone so good to eat. But oh no, one pup had none, what should they do to keep it fun? Here you take half, the puppy said, sharing kindness, tail like spread. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, puppy pals, oh puppy pals, running, jumping, wagging tails. Fetch the ball, chase around, best friends make the happiest sounds. The sky grew dark, a storm rolled in. Puppies ran through thick and thin. One got stuck in the mud so deep, the other pup jumped to help, don't weep. I won't leave you, hold on tight, pulling and tugging with all their might. The rain soon stopped, the sun came back. Puppies shook with a splish and a splash. Hugging close, their hearts so true. Best friends always see it through. No matter what, we'll stay side by side. Through rain or shine, we'll never hide. Friends are special, big or small. A little kindness helps us all. Sharing, caring, lending a paw, that's the best friendship law. Jump up high, dance around, puppy pals make joyful sounds. Bark and wiggle, clap and cheer, best friends now, year after year. Puppy pals, oh puppy pals, running, jumping, wagging tails.